The race to production-ready agentic AI is on. But for most enterprises, the finish line keeps moving. Teams run great pilots, then hit a wall. Running agents at enterprise scale means solving infrastructure, security, governance, and compliance all at once. Most organizations end up stitching together a custom runtime from scratch. It's expensive, it's slow, and it still leaves gaps. There are 4 problems every enterprise has to solve to move from pilot to production: scalable, reliable inference, embedded governance and monitoring, secure knowledge and context management, identity, first security. DataRobot on Dell AI Factory addresses all 4 in a pre-validated blueprint that takes you from bare metal to a governed agent workforce in hours, not months. Today, we're announcing 3 new capabilities. The Unified Workload API, one interface for every AI workload, from models to full agentic applications. A CL hydration, so agents can access your enterprise knowledge without becoming a security backdoor. An identity-first AI governance, giving every agent a distinct governed identity inside your corporate identity provider. Request a demo to see it live. We'll show you what production-ready agents actually look like, on infrastructure you own, on your terms.